Introducing the game-changing automatic self-wringing mop, your new ally in the world of effortless and efficient floor cleaning. Say goodbye to the days of bending over, struggling with the traditional mop, or wringing it out by hand. This innovative cleaning tool takes all the hard work out of the equation, ensuring your floors gleam with minimal effort. The brilliance of this self-wringing mop lies in its simplicity. First, dip it into your preferred floor cleaner, allowing the mop head to absorb the cleaning solution. As you begin to mop your floors, it gracefully glides across the surface, effortlessly collecting dirt, dust, and grime. No more messy and exhausting wringing or lugging around heavy mop buckets. But the real magic happens when it's time to rid the mop head of excess water. A built-in pedal, akin to a champion wrestler's move, is your secret weapon. Simply step on it, and watch as it deftly squeezes out the extra liquid, leaving the mop head perfectly damp but not soaking wet. This not only expedites drying time, but also ensures your floors receive the ideal amount of moisture for a pristine finish. But that's not all. This mop isn't just a time saver, it's also environmentally conscious. It's designed to use less water and cleaning solution, making it an eco-friendly choice for the conscious consumer. Additionally, this mop is built to last, meaning it will be your reliable cleaning companion for many cleanings to come. Don't miss out on the revolutionary automatic self-wringing mop that will transform your cleaning routine from a strenuous task into a breeze. Because who said cleaning has to be a workout? Get your hands on this game changer today and start enjoying cleaner floors with less hassle.